Hey there, Manila. It's Raf here of HobbyMash.com, and we have here our CEO, this is Billy Ventura, and our one of our developers, Josh. Hey, hi, Josh.
Hello.
Hi
Yeah, there he
guys.
is. Okay, so today is what's today?
Today is ideation day. Today and tomorrow are ideation days, and we just finished lunch, and we're hoping to get more FaceTime with our mentors afterwards.
Yeah, ideation day is basically when we stretch our idea, I guess. We try to
And pivot.
and pivot. This is the time we really have to innovate. So we're asking me personally, I'm asking myself the question: how can I innovate? So I'm going through the ideas and everything that Mike and I have talked about, and trying to just absorb it all right now. Apart from that, my stomach hurts. So yeah.
But yeah, hopefully we'll get some awesome work done today and tomorrow, and then we'll spend the next 3 days actually developing the ideas that we decide on.
Yeah, so that's it. Just a quick 1 minute update. Once again, this is Rafael Oka, and this is
Liz Manaventura. Bye
from
guys.
Singapore. Bye. Signing off.